Hi, I'm Tim, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're looking for a new spacious townhome in Fort Mill, then Grantham Place could be just what you're looking for. If convenient location is at the top of your must-have list, you can check that off here. Right off of Highway 21, there's plenty of shopping and dining options nearby. And you're only 2 miles from I-77 to head south to Baxter Village or north into Charlotte. Valentine conveniences are also just 7 miles away. And although you're close to everything you need, you're still tucked back in the well-known Regent Park community, giving you privacy from main roads. Plus, you'll have access to Regent Park amenities from the day you move in. Enjoy relaxing by the pool in the summer or spend time outside at the tennis courts. One of my favorite parts about working with new homeowners is seeing their face light up when they get to choose their features and finishes in their new home. After you pick your floor plan, you'll get to choose from our professionally designed finishes to suit your style, and stainless steel appliances are included. Now you can make your home design dreams a reality. So what do you think? If you're ready to learn more about Grantham Place, schedule a visit to come see us soon. I can't wait to welcome you home.